If you currently have a 9 to 5, I want you to understand this. Your salary was never meant to be enough. So if you're currently experiencing, oh, my salary is currently very low, I want better opportunities, let me explain to you that even if you shift to another job and it pays you more, it is still a salary. What you need to start finding is your hidden income in your 9 to 5. This hidden income will pay you even if you lose your job. Now, how do you discover this hidden income? I have created an AI prompt that will take you step by step on how to create this. Now, some AI prompts are just 1 or 2 pages, 1 or 2 lines, but this is about 12 pages. And all you need to do is copy, and then you can paste it into ChatGPT, and it will take you through the process on discovering the knowledge you currently have, how to monetize it, who exactly is going to buy that knowledge you currently have, and how much you should charge for this. Now, what is the advantage of this? It means that you can create one asset, it keeps bringing you money. You don't need to do another work after you create an asset. The asset keeps generating income for you. And when that asset keeps generating income for you, you can also create another one. That means you can still have your 9 to 5 and you have another means of income that brings you money that is based on the knowledge you already have, the skill you already have, and the experience you currently have. You don't need a high income skill. Your skill, the knowledge you currently have is high income, and this will help you extract it and position it as a high income skill. That's the key thing you need to understand. So what are you waiting for? Go to the comment section and you download it, and you can just copy and start using it. I'll see you in the next video.